Hello Gadgeteers! Today I'm here with the quick unboxing of the VOBOT mini dock, which is currently seeking funding on Kickstarter. It says it's the ultimate screen dock combo for enhanced productivity. So I have already taken a knife and opened it, but I haven't looked inside, so let's do that right now. We have a manual, which is always super exciting. And let's take out the dock itself. What else is in this box? We have a braided USB-C to USB-C cable. So that's nice. Let's take this out of the plastic. And here is the dock. Looks like it's got some very dark translucent plastic, and then the display is on the front here. I'm going to guess that this is a power button, and this is like a little dial that you can turn to do different things. We have a USB-C connection here that says it's a PD 90 watt max, and it's showing that it goes to your computer. Then we have other ports here on the back, a PD 100 watt input, 4K HDMI, 1 gigabit Ethernet, and a 5 volt 1.5 amp USB. It looks like a 3 something, USB 3, I don't know, because it's got the blue tab here. And on the other side, we have 2 more USB-C ports, and they are both 5 volt, 1.5 amp. The bottom has a nice rubbery foot so that it won't slide around on your desk. And this has it looks like, I don't know if you could see that in the video. I don't know if I can get it to where, maybe there you can see that it's got a multi-LED kind of display here for a clock. This is going to be an optional purchase. I'm making this video before the Kickstarter even starts, so I don't even know what the rewards are yet, but I'm going to assume that this might be one of them that comes along optionally when you pledge for this display here, this mini dock. And it is, I haven't opened this one either, it's a gamepad. It's a small gamepad that you can use to play one of the built-in games on this dock. So you get a user manual here, and here's this cute little dock that you can, it's got a joystick. That's kind of cool. I like that it's just a mini joystick. You got your buttons here. And looks like I had it upside down. Yep, I did have it upside down. It's got an escape button, an M button for mode, probably select and start. So, and it looks like, I don't know if I can get that open. Yeah, I can get it open without breaking my fingernails, maybe. Let's see. Oh, it runs on to AA batteries that it appears that they have included. AAA, sorry, 2 AAA batteries. Anyway, this is going to allow you to play the game that's built into this dock. And I will definitely have another video that shows it in action, so stay tuned. And if you want to see that, you can make sure that you don't miss it by subscribing and clicking that bell icon. And if you want to see more unboxings from me, give me a thumbs up on this one. That would help too. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.